So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are sharing some boys Halloween makeup ideas. These are scary Halloween makeups. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is so special and we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Halloween boys makeup. So if you want to choose your look for the best Halloween party look, so you can choose the idea from this video because this video contains a lot of ideas that will be helpful for you, and here's are some different kind of ideas. If you are expert at makeup, then here are a lot of ideas, but if you are not expert at makeup, even some easy ideas are also available that look super scary. You just have to choose it and copy it step by step. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video, so whenever you will be free you can go to your offline videos and watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, we shared a lot of stuff related to Halloween parties. For example, Halloween cake decoration ideas, Halloween party decoration ideas, Halloween costume ideas for girls and boys, even kids Halloween costume ideas we also shared in our channel. So you can visit our channel and watch the video related to Halloweens. If you want to throw a Halloween party at your place, you can